How's it going, guys? So here we have the 2020 wide body conversion for those Chargers from years 2015 and up. And also we have the 2020 wide body rear diffuser, also compatible with the OEM wide bodies from years 2020 and up. And part number for the full kit is BC102199. And we're currently shipping out pre-orders as we speak. And we're doing the best we can to send all the orders in a timely manner. We have quite a few pre-orders, so we just started shipping them out, and we're going accordingly to the date that we're placed. And if everything goes as planned, we should be done between the 18th and the 24th of this month. Thank you guys so much for patiently waiting. I know there's quite a few customers that have been waiting for quite a while, and we greatly appreciate you guys. Also, before I forget, this is the wide body rocker panel, also compatible with our previous wide body, which is part number is BC2120. If you're not planning on going the 2020 conversion, you can always use this along with the BC2120 to get the wide body look without the front and the rear 2020 conversion bumpers. Once again, the 2020 rear diffuser, the wide body is also compatible with the 2020 factory wide bodies from Dodge, and of course with the rear bumper that we have here. Once again, the wide body kit is BC102199, and over here we have also the front lip that's compatible with our wide body kit, along with also the 2020 wide bodies. And this particular front lip, it won't be available for another few weeks, but you currently can pre-order. Part number for this bad boy is BC102230. And over here we have the rear diffuser that we also currently shipping now as well, the pre-orders. Part number is BC102166. And yeah, so if you plan on getting your wide body kit conversion, make sure to place your order right now, just because this particular kit is the hardest kit to keep in stock as we speak. Once again, we're going through pre-orders and shipping them out as the date they were placed. Once again, we're going through pre-orders, and we're doing the best we can to send them out in a timely manner. Over there we have the Demon Hellcat hoods that they're going out as well. And yeah, so once again, if you plan on going wide body with the 2020 conversion, make sure to place your order as soon as possible, just because this particular kit, both for the Charger and Challenger, are the hardest kit to keep for us to keep it in stock. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe onto our YouTube channel for more awesome content, and we'll see you guys. Let me just get a look so you guys can have a better look. Pretty much all this is going now. It's full of parts. Thank you guys so much for your unconditional support. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time.